Hi, we're going to talk about teen numbers. Hopefully you heard me read this fun book, 1 to 20, Animals Aplenty. When we have more than 10 and we keep counting, we get to the next number after 10. We get to 11, and then if we have one more than that, we get to 12, and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Those numbers in between 10 and 20 are the teen numbers, even if they're called 11 or 12. And we've been counting those all year when we do our workouts and when we do the calendar on the wall, because every month has more than 10 days. It has about 30 days, so we've been counting up all year. Still, it's tricky when you start to work with them and to read them. But what I want you to remember is that when we have a teen number, we have 1 10. So that 1 in the tens place is 10. And whatever you have after it is how many more than 10. So this is 10, 11, 12. Practice with me. Here's this one. 10. How many more? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Doesn't say 15, so that's a little tricky. Here's another tricky one. 13. Let's count up. Say 10, 10, and how many more? 3 more. 11, 12, 13. They didn't call it 13, they called it 13. Let's look with our Unifix cubes. Here's my stack of 10, so I'm going to write a 1 on my board for 1, 10. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I have 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, I know just how to write it. There's my 10, and I have 4 more. Down, across, and all the way down. That number is called 14. 10 plus 4 more. When you do the worksheets this week, on this one, you start where the bird is. She's got a worm, and she's going to get it to her little birds in the nest. So you know to start here. You're following number order, and you'll recognize it. Do we go from 1 to 6 or from 1 to 2? 1 to 2. So that you start going that way. Now from 2, do we go 2, 8? Is that number order? Or 2, 3? You'll follow it this way. So follow the track, and when you have a choice of which way to go to the next number. That will take you all the way to number 20, and you can practice noticing with your eyes, and you can try to say them out loud. That would be the best. With this activity, instead of adding 2 groups of numbers, you're adding 1, 2, 3 groups of numbers. And you don't have to keep them all in your head. First, you write the number below each group of dots. So here, how many? You'd write the 1 straight down from the sun. Here you'd write 2. And here you'd write 1, 2, 3, 4. You'd write your 4. Then you can go back and just keep on adding. It's called adding on. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's your total to write here. That's not a teen number yet, 7. But as you work your way down here, 3 and 3, recognize that from the dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You write your 6 here. You see how many that is. You write that number. Same one here, you write it again. And then you just add on as you're counting. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14. That's the number we just practiced. 14. I know it's more than 10. It has a 10 straight down, and it has 4 ones down across and all the way down. 14. Here's another one to practice this week. For this train, each train car has a number. You find the numbers along the bottom, and they called teen numbers just the ones that start with 13 because you really hear the teen in that one. They don't have the 11 and the 12. So the 13 is the first one. You want to put it right after the engine in that square. So 13, 10 plus 3 ones. Pop up your finger. Now, next, you're going to have 10 plus 4 ones. You'll recognize that sounds correct. 13, 14. So you find the 14 and you glue that next door. 13, 14, 15. Let's say that again. 13, 14, 15, 16. You put all your numbers in the train. Good luck.